Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I believe you are all doing good and fine today. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to remove the sticky label on Ankara fabric. You know, most of the time when you see the label, it is always annoying. You know, some people will not know how to remove it in a neat way. But I will teach you today how you can remove the label. Now, you are going to plug your iron first and you let the iron to be hot very well. Then you now place it on the fabric. You place it around the sticky label. So you iron it. You iron it for about 10 or 15 seconds. Then you open it, you can see that it comes off very easily in a neat way. Can you see it? Now you remove everything. Perfect. Now you will fold the sticker and bin it. If you touch the surface of the fabric, you will feel the gum. What you can do to remove the gum is to iron the surface. You iron it. You continue to iron it. So as you are ironing it, you will place the iron on a piece of fabric to clean the surface of the iron. Then you will feel it again. If it is sticky, then you still continue to iron the surface. You feel it. Then you continue to iron the surface until the gum is no more there. Now it's a bit sticky. Then you continue to iron it. You can increase your iron. The reason why you have to iron the gum is to prevent it from attracting tiny threads or dust. So that's it. Then I can feel now that the gum is no more there. So you do the same to the other stickers. You just iron it. Like what you did to the first one. Then you open it. You can see how it's coming off neatly. You can see it. Good. Then you fold it and bin it again. Then you take off the second sticker as well. So the gum is still there as well. You can see my hand is gumming. So you place your iron on it, like what we did the first time. Then you iron it. You iron the part. Then you put your iron on the piece of cloth to wipe away the surface of the iron. Then you place it on your fabric again. Then you iron it. You iron it. Then you wipe the iron again. Then you place it on your fabric until you feel that the gum is no more there. So that's how you're going to do it. So this is how you will remove your label from your Ankara fabric. So don't forget to like my video, to share, and to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.